make hair straightening gel that will help to detangle, condition, and remove excess oil from the scalp. So stay tuned. So to make this hair gel, I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to add the cornstarch into the pot. I'll be adding 2 cups of water. Stir to mix properly and also to dissolve the cornstarch. Then I'm going to allow it to boil on a medium heat, and I'll be stirring occasionally. After about 6 minutes, you can notice that the water has reduced and the cornstarch has thickened. Then I'm going to remove from the heat. So I'm going to use a strainer to strain to remove any lump. You can notice that the cornstarch is smooth, so I'm going to leave it to cool down. I'll be making use of Jamaican castor seed oil. Jamaican castor seed oil will help to moisturize dry hair, prevent hair breakage, and strengthen the hair. Feel free to add any oil of your choice. I'm going to stir to mix properly. You can apply the cornstarch gel on your hair. It will help to detangle and condition your hair. I've sectioned the hair into smaller parts, so I'm going to apply the cornstarch gel. Then I will massage properly and leave it on the hair for about 30 minutes. You can decide to cover your hair to generate heat. Then after about 30 minutes or more, you can now rinse out. This cornstarch gel will help to prevent hair breakage. It will help to detangle the hair, strengthen the hair, and remove excess oil buildup from the scalp. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.